Hello, this is Bryce. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I love that I have your complete attention and that I'm so glad that you've taken the time to stop by. So today's video is, what's the title of the video? How you can make progress. Sorry, my computer is down and my camera's up, so I can't really see. So how you can make progress, okay? Very, very, very important because the worst feeling in the world is to try really, really hard. It looks like you're making progress on paper, but then you come back at the end of the day, look at your bank account, and it's negative. That's happened a couple of times to me in my life. I can tell you time, I made $15,000 in sales in a month. Look back at my bank account, it's negative $2,000. It's like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Fire everybody. Fire all the virtual assistants. We got to start back over at ground zero because I cannot sustain another loss like that. I actually did that 2 months in a row because the first month I was like, oh, if we just keep the sales going, we get it higher, it'll be okay. And then the second month was 15,000 again in sales, and I was like, oh shoot. Now we're down 4,000. But it's a-okay. We're just gonna fire everybody. We're gonna start from ground zero. And then it's just, it's not fun. That's why I'm here to be able to kind of help you not go through that. Because for me, right, I've been doing this a long time. It's about 9 years in the game, okay? I've done a lot of things. I've started a lot of businesses that either didn't work out. Maybe one time I was well above the curve, but I didn't understand distribution. Another time I didn't know how to do marketing, right? I came up with this great website, this great product, this great service, but then it took me like 3 months every single day coding for the website, planning, doing all of the stuff to get the graphics right. Launch the website, nobody shows up. That's a terrible feeling. But I know how to prevent that. That's what I do not want to have happen to you. Okay? So, biggest thing is your audience. If your audience is constantly growing, you're going to be able to consistently bring in new money. That is a very, very, very important factor to think about. But not just about the audience, it's also how long can you actually keep them engaged with you. If they see you one day and then never hear from you again, that's just as bad as them never hearing from you in the first place. I saw a guy on YouTube actually today. I was like, I remember he's a really, really relatively larger man. But I was like, I've seen his branding was very good because he was a black shirt, black background. He's a white complexion man. But I've seen that guy before. I don't remember where. Oh yeah, the last time I watched this guy was about a year ago. I don't know what his product or service is because I only watched like 3 of his videos, but I remember his branding and his background. That's the only reason why I clicked on it a second time. But he's probably missed out on a lot of money because I've spent a lot of money on different courses and different learning materials over the past couple of years. So if he had been in my face, I probably would have bought one of his course materials because I love buying online courses. I love learning, right? I love, if I got cash in my wallet, give it away to strangers on the street all the time. But yeah, but the point of that story is he did not stay in my face while I was in a buying position and a buying mindset. For me, I tend to save a lot of money and then I splurge on, at least on personal expenses. So don't be the man in the video. You have to constantly be able to find great and creative ways to stay in my face that is not annoying, but actually adds value to our relationship. If you can do that, then the next step becomes, what does Bryce actually want to buy? If you've been holding my attention and we're actually talking and we're communicating back and forth, we have a good relationship going, I'm probably like, man, the one thing that I'm really trying to do is like, I want to get a six-pack, but I don't really know how to. Oh, that's great, Bryce. I actually have a six-pack. Would you like me to kind of share more about how I've been helping my clients get a six-pack? Yeah, that can be kind of cool. Cool. You tell me your story. I'm like, oh wow, you're working with a couple of people? Yeah, I worked with 7. Want to see some pictures of some of my clients? Yeah. Okay, cool. Do you think I could look like that? Yeah, I think it'll take you about 15 to 20 pounds, or at least 5 to 10% body fat reduction, but you're going to be able to get to your goals, you know? Then I'll Bryce will probably be like, okay, cool, you know, like, so how does it work with you? Well, if you want to have a 3 month program, you know, you should probably lose about 15 to 20 pounds within that 3 month program. Okay, cool. Uh, you know, how many times are we meeting? Once a week, blah, 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 blah. How much does it cost? Okay, so the price of this program is $500 per month. You can drop off, you can come in and out at any time, and you have 7 days to change your mind. Okay. So how do I pay you? Here's a link to PayPal. Cool. That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Okay? So that's how you make progress in your business. Now you do that enough times to where now you know exactly what your audience wants, right? Now you're growing your audience. You've proven that your offer works, that people want this offer. Now you have a zone or a pool of attention that's constantly getting new people in the door, and that's when you're going to start to make progress. Because if this product either becomes too expensive or just doesn't work out for whatever reason, you just cut off that product and you find the next product. Okay? So as long as you're able to bring in new people and this area, this pool, this attention pool is still intact, you're going to be able to just substitute in new offers. Okay? So that means I can have offer A, offer B, offer C, offer D, offer E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. I can have a million different offers, but I know I'm constantly bringing new people, and my audience is going to need different things at different times in life. And that is how you build a business. That is how you get everything to work. Okay, guys? So if you want to actually learn how to do this step by step by step, the first step to being able to do this will be to go join my group called it's called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Sorry, that was a brain fart. Okay, the link to that will be in the description below or in the comments that surround this video. So some reasons to join that, because this gives you a play-by-play, day-by-day look into exactly what it takes to grow a successful business, both for myself and for the clients that I've worked with, right? We do live interviews, we do free trainings, we do flow charts, we do strategies, everything that you need to start to move in the right direction towards making progress in your life. You know, I believe that the reason why, you know, like that people really want to grow a business is not for the money. It's because they want to win. They want life to be a game, to be able to say, you know, I'm tired today because I didn't quite sleep right the night before, or I just recently had Bryson, but if I recently just had a baby and then like they were just keeping me up, you know, my wife, she's been up all night or whatever. I don't want her to have to go to work. So, you know, just take the day off. I got you. If your boss wants to say something, just quit, and then you know we can live off of the money from my business. We're making 5 times what our expenses is, so our revenue or income to expenses is 5 times. So for every $5 I make, we spend $1. Cool. You know, that's what we want, and it wants to be able to be like, I'm helping people. I'm moving in the right direction. People are saying yes to me. I'm constantly going towards my goal. I constantly have the freedom that I desired. I'm no longer trapped by a boss, no longer trapped by work, by time. I can talk to who I want. I can have freedom of association. If I don't want to talk to you or don't want to deal with you, I don't have to. Okay? So if you want to start moving towards that point, I recommend joining Uncapped Growth Strategies. Again, it's going to be in the description below or in the comment section surrounding this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to share it with your friends. Also, hopefully you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Have a great day. Take it easy and see you later. And see you soon.